Welcome to this course in MODO, where I am going to teach you from start to finish how to model, how to UV map and texture and render a disposable lighter unit to photoreal quality. So I assume that you haven't used MODO before and that you are new to 3D modeling. So what we'll be doing in the first bit is we're going to change a few settings inside of MODO, and what I've got here now is I've got a or let's call it a flavor of input of the input system that's MODO specific. Let's say I start panning this scene. This is your horizontal view plane. This is let's say your spirit level of your scene. This black area that you see here. Now, with the traditional MODO method, this can tilt and pan into weird directions. Now, maybe it's just me being not too bright to grasp MODO's way of dealing with this. This is, for instance, the zoom towards, as we would have it in Maya. And I don't use this method. I use the method that that Maya uses. And to change MODO to that method, it's much easier getting used to in the beginning, my opinion. Maybe somebody out there in the community can enlighten me exactly how the MODO one works and how to get to grips with it. But I'm going to change this remapping. So if you go to System, Preferences, you scroll down to Remapping, and then you select, that top one will be on MODO, then you just select Maya. All right, then you close this. Now it will almost be the same, but you'll still have that little bit of where your view plane can tilt. So go to this little gear here, and then you click on Oscillate. That little drop down, you say no for trackball rotation. Then you close this. Now you'll see that view plane snaps to never be able to tilt to the sides. You see, now it doesn't do that anymore. So how this works is, I'm going to put a little box down there, so you can to help you emulate what I'm doing now. Click on this little icon here. Click on that. That's your layer that you'll be drawing in, and just draw this out. And use that little box in the middle. Draw that out. Press space, and you drop that tool. Now you've got that little box there. Press Shift and hold Shift in and press A so that we can focus on this thing. Now, to navigate the viewport, you're going to do one of three things. You're either going to zoom in and out, you're either going to pan left and right, or you're going to rotate around the object that you're working with. This is one of the hardest parts of getting used to when starting out with 3D. So I suggest taking some time and just getting, without trying to draw beforehand, just get to grips with the driving system. Get to learn to drive this scene as you would drive a car. Alright, so to pan or scroll from side to side or from top to bottom or whatever direction you may choose, you will keep the Alt button in and click and hold and drag the middle mouse button or the scroll button. For you to zoom in and out, you'll be holding in the Alt button and clicking and dragging the left mouse button. For you to circle around and rotate around an object, you will hold Alt in, click and drag with the right mouse button.